A wise man named Ludacris once said, "It's all in your mind, so keep your head tight." Now, I've taken out a word or two, however, that just kind of gives us an intro into what we're going to be talking about today. Different types of meditation. I know, especially if you are new to meditating, you may not know where to start. Well, you found the right video, so let's go ahead, let's get started. Welcome back to your mental health toolbox. And today we are going to be looking at the different types of meditation. And actually, I've narrowed it down to 7. Now, I'm not saying that these are the only 7, but these are the 7 that I'm aware of and that I've also had experience with and would like to share with you. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Meditation type number 1 is mindfulness meditation. It's all about being fully present in the here and the now, just really taking in the moment as it is, to observe your thoughts and sensations, all without judgment, though. It's just being okay with what comes up in your mind and not judging it as it comes up. It creates an awareness of our thoughts. And let me tell you, there is power in awareness. Do you realize that we spend a lot of time having thoughts that we're not even aware of? Imagine if you only had 5% awareness more of the thoughts that you currently have. That would make a huge difference. Meditation type number 2 is what is called loving kindness meditation. It's also known as metta meditation, which is spelled METTA for those of you who like to look into it a little bit further. It's about developing love and compassion for yourself first, and then expanding that love and compassion out to others. And then, even beyond that, it's expanding it to family, friends, loved ones. And it even goes beyond that. You're able to expand that love and compassion to those who you don't get along with or you have conflict with. It's like a hug for your soul, really. Meditation type number 3 is transcendental meditation. It's called TM for short. It focuses on using a mantra, a sacred word or phrase, which is repeated silently in the mind. TM helps us to achieve a deep state of relaxation and transcend the boundaries of the conscious mind. Next is meditation type 4, which is guided meditation. Now, this meditation is great for beginners. Someone is guiding you through the meditation. You have on your headset, your earphones, and you're actually listening to someone as they're giving you visuals to focus on and sayings to focus on. However, it's creating this deep concentration, but you're not having to worry about what to focus on because the guided meditation is giving you just that. And there's many types of guided meditation, especially for things like stress, sleeping better, anxiety, etc. So before we go any further, I have a question for you. Is this video helpful so far? If so, please like and comment below. By the way, just so you know, your likes, comments, and subscribes helps others by putting this video in front of others so they can learn just like you. So if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and talk about meditation type number 5, which is called movement meditation. Now, believe it or not, there are some people who have a very hard time just sitting still and being still and even just kind of taking a moment just to sit still, just to focus. This type of meditation is for you if you're that person. What it does is it combines breath awareness with gentle movement. Some examples include Tai Chi or Qigong. Even with my experience, I did my first movement meditation a few years ago at an entrepreneur's retreat. And at this entrepreneur's retreat, we were on the beach and he said we were going to do a walking meditation. And I looked and I'm like, how am I going to walk and meditate at the same time? But really, what it was literally focusing on my breathing, focusing on every step that I was taking. And believe it or not, it was a very powerful meditation. Meditation type number 6 is mantra meditation. Now, just so you know, this meditation is very similar to transcendental or TM meditation. However, it's about focusing on the vibration and energy of the mantra that you're focusing on. Now, in this, you're focusing, prime example, if you use a Sanskrit mantra such as Om, you would say Om, and you will focus on the vibration that your body is feeling at that time. So, what this does is it creates deep relaxation and it really sets you up on focusing, especially on the vibes throughout your body, which leads to meditation type number 7, which is the body scan meditation. Now, this one is all about tuning into your body and scanning it from head to toe. You're taking the time to notice how you're feeling, and you're also noticing any discomfort to areas of your body. And by doing a scan, it allows you to release the tension in that area as well as promote relaxation both physically and mentally. This is the first video of this series, so videos further exploring mindfulness, loving kindness, transcendental, guided movement, mantra, and body scan meditations are coming your way. So just make sure you're subscribed and you have the notifications on because this is a series on meditation you don't want to miss. Thanks for tuning in to your Mental Health Toolbox.